Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something weird is happening. And it has to do with a refresh of the compatible CPUs or processors that Microsoft has released. So, of course, we have the minimum requirements, and technically, even though that has changed, the minimum requirements should make the CPU still compatible. But in the latest list of CPUs that are compatible with 24H2 that Microsoft has released here, Windows 11 version 24H2 supported Intel processors, they've removed 8th, 9th, and 10th generation CPUs. What does that mean? What does that mean? It is very interesting. But the minimum requirement of an Intel 8th generation or newer CPU holds on, which means technically, even if it's not on this list, a 8th generation Intel processor should still be compatible. And actually they are right now. But what does it mean for the future? Why is this list removing generations of CPU that are perfectly fine? Would they dare go to make the minimum requirement higher starting at a certain point, like 25H2? What is happening with Microsoft? I think they should clearly state that, still 8th generation and later is fine for Windows 11. This is very, very bizarre. And usually in the past, we've seen, for example, in Windows 10, that some of the CPUs that were removed as CPUs compatible with Windows 10 and so on, and they actually were telling that, well, the next version of Windows 10 won't be compatible with machines that have these CPUs. I don't think they're going to go there personally. I think they're already having so much problem having Windows 11 users go on board that it would be suicide for Microsoft to prevent 8, 9, and 10 generation CPUs from, being supported. But this is something that I'm kind of wondering about. It's almost scary. Why are you removing perfectly good CPUs that are powerful enough without any problem, that have TPM 2.0 integrated with them? As this is baffling a little bit on the side of, why are you removing them from the list of compatible or, with 24H2? This is weird. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.